How to download and use your AncestryDNA raw data file. Step 1. Log into AncestryDNA.com. Step 2. Go to your settings under the DNA button. Step 3. Click the Download DNA Data button found under Test Management. Step 4. Read and check the acknowledgement box, and enter your password again. Step 5. Wait for an email from AncestryDNA with a link to download the file. Step 6. Click the link in the email from AncestryDNA. It will take you to the page to download your data. Your DNA raw data file will download as a zip file to your default downloads directory. For most computers, you can double-click to unzip the file. I suggest saving it to another folder, and also to an external or backup drive so that you don't lose the file. Step 7. Use your data. You can import it into an Excel spreadsheet to easily search it, or join as a Genetic Life Hacks member, which will allow you to see your genetic data in all of our articles. Our privacy-first membership keeps your data safely on your own computer, and it is not transferred or stored online.